Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of rawradianthealth.com, and I'm Natasha St. Michael, and thank you so much for joining me. So today's Friday, it's the end of the week. I just got back from a fabulous bike ride, and I'm going to show you an easy, super easy green smoothie for beginners. Beginners or experienced green smoothie people. This is an easy and really yummy recipe. And this is just a great way of getting more minerals into your diet and more nutrition by throwing in a little bit of greens. So let's get started. Okay, so all we'll need is some baby spinach, some bananas, and they have to be ripe. And how you know that a banana is nice and ripe, it's got brown spots all over it, and there's never any green up at the root of the bunch. Okay, it's always kind of turning brown. And we got blueberries, and we got some spring water. Make sure everything's organic as well. Okay, so we're going to just put all the ingredients in the blender. So we've got 2 bananas, the blueberries, and we got spinach. Now with the spinach, if you're a beginner, you might just want to put like 1 handful in, okay? And if you're a little bit more experienced and you like putting in more and more greens and you're used to it, then you can add in like another handful or even 3 handfuls or how much you want. And then we're going to add in a little bit of water. My suggestion is kind of start with a little bit of water, and if you need to keep adding water in order for it to blend, then you just keep adding water. And there we go. Now we're going to taste our yummy green smoothie. This is heavenly. This is delicious. I just want to tell you, there's 2 cups of spinach in here, and you don't taste it at all. That even for beginners, try more than a cup of spinach and just see how it goes. Just taste it a little bit, and you'd be quite surprised that you don't taste it at all. You just taste the bananas and the blueberries. Super yummy, and even on a hot summer's day, my suggestion too is that if you have ripe bananas, unpeel them and put them in the freezer for a little while, and then use them in your smoothie, and then you got like this cold, sweet, yummy, refreshing, nutritious beverage. And it's perfect for you, perfect for your kids or your family or your neighbors, your friends, whoever. This is super yum. If you were to start your day with this every day, you'd notice so much improvement in everything, in your mood, your health, your weight, if you're trying to lose weight, everything. Okay, so get on to the green smoothies. And on that note, I'm wishing you guys a fabulous weekend. And just a reminder for all of you that are thinking about joining the 10-day juice fast, which we're starting on Monday, don't even think about it. Don't doubt it. Just do it. Especially for all of you out there that have never done any kind of cleansing or detoxing or any kind of fasting before. This is perfect. This is made for beginners and people that are all very new to this stuff. So do not be intimidated at all. I take you through it. I'm there to answer questions. There's videos explaining everything, really. And there's also a great community of people that get together to do this together. And every month, I'm just amazed at all the people that I get to meet that are just really fantastic. There's just such a good, strong support. So do sign up for the Juice Fast. It's starting this Monday, May 3rd. Go to www.rawradianthealth.com and click on Juice Fasting. Have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye!